Common marriage problems faced by couples and their solutions. Infidelity is one of the most common marriage problems in relationships. The most recent data suggests that about 20% of interviewed men admitted to cheating on their partner compared to 10% of women. It includes cheating and having emotional affairs. Other instances included in infidelity are one-night stands, physical infidelity, internet relationships, and long and short-term affairs. Infidelity occurs in a relationship for many different reasons. It is a common problem and one that various couples are struggling to find a solution to. So how do you fix marriage problems pertaining to infidelity? Infidelity can happen when the connection in your relationship is not strong and can cause a breakdown of trust. Research reveals that maintaining a strong emotional bond, sexual intimacy, and respecting boundaries are the 3 key ways to combat infidelity in your relationship. Related reading 3 B's to avoid infidelity. In this video, relationship expert and broadcaster Lucy Beresford talks about infidelity and its effect on relationships. Physical intimacy is indispensable in a long-term relationship, but it's also the root cause of one of the most common marriage problems of all time, sexual problems. Sexual problems can occur in a relationship for several reasons, paving the way for subsequently more marriage problems. Studies reveal that sexual compatibility, along with sexual satisfaction, was cited as the most crucial factor in determining relationship satisfaction for couples. The most common sexual problem within a marriage is a loss of libido. Many people are under the impression that only women experience issues with libido, but men also experience the same. In other instances, sexual problems can be due to the sexual preferences of a spouse. One person in the relationship may prefer different sexual things than the other spouse, making the other spouse uncomfortable. Communication and keeping an open mind are key to getting through any form of sexual incompatibility. It can re-establish the crucial physical and emotional bond for sexual intimacy to flourish. Certainly there will be differences and disagreements within a marriage, but some differences are too significant to ignore, such as core values and beliefs. One spouse may have one religion and the other may have a different belief. Differences in values may lead to an emotional chasm, among other common marriage problems. As you may have guessed, this could cause significant trouble when one spouse gets tired of doing things separately, such as going to different places of worship. Such marriage problems are widespread in cross-cultural marriages. Other differences include core values. These include the way children are reared and the things they were taught during their childhood, such as the definition of right and wrong. Since everyone does not grow up with the same belief systems, morals, and goals, there is much room for debate and conflict within the relationship. The only solutions to conflicts arising from different values are communication and compromise. And in matters where compromise isn't possible, the best solution is to be understanding and agree to disagree on these matters.